Welcome to the walkthrough of Project Aurora. This is where the ASHA worker enters his password. This is basically the dashboard of the ASHA worker. Here you can see there are the four major functionalities of the ASHA worker which we have provided, which include new case, new patient reports and logout. Here I'll show you. We'll search a patient. This is basically the Aadhaar card number. We have made a dummy patient. It says patient detail does not exist. I might have entered wrong. And here we see that the new patient desktop has arrived. Here is the detail of the patient along with his case histories, and this is the diagnose button. We'll go about it later. And these are the cases which he has been diagnosed with. Now we'll see. So this is the question answer pattern which we are showing. Here is where the ASHA worker deals with the villagers. So I'll just show you a case where the disease gets diagnosed. CDSS success basically. And you see that it shows that you have been diagnosed with acute bronchitis. So I'll just push thank you. And the case table is updated here. The disease ID is updated. Now I'll show you a case where CDSS fails basically. You can see over here right now the case status is 4. So as soon as the case fails, I'll push from here and a push request will be forwarded to the doctor. So it shows the medication has been failed and a pending case is shown over here, and you can see the CDSS, the two cases have been pushed to the doctor. One earlier which was passed and now the failed one. Now from here the doctor can see the cases basically and suggest disease. And medication. And we see here the message is received on the tablet. And we can see in the reports column, here we have maintained the total life cycle of the report, like all cases of all the patients who are associated with this tablet, solved cases, unread cases, pending cases and pending medication. I'll show you the unread cases because this has been just pushed, and we see over here the disease ID 1670 shows that the doctor has diagnosed the disease with asthma. Now we'll go back to the patient. And here on the patient window also it shows green. Now it has turned to green to show that the doctor has finally diagnosed. Now again coming back to the desktop of the ASHA worker, here you can see there is a new case. I've already been to new case. New patient. Here you can actually enter all the details of the patient including his parents' ID, habits, disorders and his date of birth. So basically from here we can map back to his parents to use the disorders. Okay, thank you.